5 minutes away from Birmingham NEC, where the Practical Classics Restoration Show is on. And 3 days ago, I dropped off C4L at the Club Calibra stand. My friends at Zirconite have been working on the paintwork for 3 days. I've not seen the car, I've not seen anything on it whatsoever, but I've heard that it looks amazing. So, eventually, quite excited. Entrance is where I am meeting. Hello. How much do you want to bet that I get stopped by security here now? Happy? We're through. I think that's the first time I've ever gone through security without being stopped. I get stopped everywhere. I'm walking down these stairs here now. So the man that I'm currently on the phone to, who's just hung up on me, is this man here. You may recognise this man as the man who always spoils my intros and outros. It is Richard. Come on then, let's go in. Let's go in and find my car. I'm dead nervous about this now, you know. People watching this, yes, they won't believe that like, I've dropped the car off on Sunday and I've not seen it.
No, that's correct. Literally thrown a bucket of water over it, left, and this is just returning now. 2 o'clock Sunday afternoon.
I don't want to look. I don't want to look.
You ready to turn around and look at that?
Go on then. Round. Hello, mate.
How's that? 3 days of fun games with your car. What have we done? So, car was washed, etc. before it arrived.
So when I say it was washed?
A little bit. I can tell you washed it a little bit.
No.
Rinsed it off?
No, I washed it on the M40 in the rain.
Cool. Yeah.
And then wiped it down.
When it got in?
Yeah.
So, obviously, unfortunately, in the circumstances that we're in, I can do what you should do, which is a full decon wash.
Which is what we did with the purple one back in November.
Paint's so soft and there's not that much on there. We did some paint there 3 weeks. So we took the most sympathetic approach that we could, which was to test panel a few bits in terms of compounds. It's quite soft paint, so we ended up running with P15, which is a medium cut compound, medium pads, dual action polisher, several passes of that, then followed by a black pad, which is a soft pad, P40, which is a finishing glaze, just to gloss it over, and then we've applied nano glaze, which is our polymer sealant, followed by a quick coat of ZG365 graphene coating.
Well, that's ruined that take, no mind.
So yeah, a bit of ZG365 graphene coating just to lift the gloss a bit more. Dresser tyres, Jake has also ZC boosted front lights, rear lights. We're also just doing the wheels in terms of putting some graphene coating over them, dressing the tyres and the trims in the tack. So yeah, it's pretty much there.
That's fab. That is fab. Did you do all the work on this?
I did do more work on this one. He's hurt his wrist, so I was on the main polisher most of the time.
I'm injured, carrying an injury, so yeah.
Okay, that's a great excuse.
Yeah.
A big thank you to Chris for spending, and Jacob, of course. Chris and Jacob for, let me rephrase that. A big thank you to Jacob and Chris for spending 3 days on C4L. I think you'll agree. It looks amazing. So this is going to be at Vauxhall along with my purple turbo. You're hopefully going to be at Vauxhall as well.
Yes, we're looking forward to doing that.
No, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath the video, find a thumbs up, and right next to it there's a subscribe button. If you hit that, you'll get a new video from me every week, and every subscription really does help my channel grow, so a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far. Coming up next, it's back into show season. We're starting with Simply Aston Martin down at Bewley, so make sure you subscribe for that video. It will be out in just a couple of weeks' time. Once again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.